Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another fabulous unboxing from Gbfke. That is www.gbfke.com. Now you guys know they're a wonderful store. Their shipping is very fast. Customer service is amazing. And the products, you will see what I'm talking about. Now they don't only do cross stitch. You guys know they do the embroidery now, and I'm going to show you something today, so please don't go away. They do, of course, cross stitch, embroidery, paint by numbers and diamond paintings. They also carry all the tools and accessories you need to the extras you need, you know, and the extras you know you don't, but you want them. They carry them all. They also do the wax seal stamp, resin ornaments, and epoxy molds. Now, if you order from Gbfke, you get free shipping for over €59. And if you want to save a little bit more, you type in my discount code, which is RELLA3 for extra 3% off. Now, please remember, please, they are closed until the 5th of February. February. It is Chinese New Year. You can still order when they open. They will take care of all the orders. Now, if you order in these few days that they are closed, there's a big special going on. Let me just get it. I don't want to get anything wrong here, because I just kept it for the Chinese New Year dates. Now, buy 3 get 1 free, buy 6 get 2 free, buy 9 get 3 free, buy 12 get 4 free. Now that's amazing, but that is not all. You get an extra 6% discount code. So don't use my code, use the 6% discount code. That is more savings, and the code is Snake Year 6. You see there on the screen. I will leave everything in the description box so it's easy for you to find it. Go and have fun. They've got beautiful products. And come and look what I'm going to show you now. Alright, so let's start off with the embroidery. Oh wow, surprise! Look at this. It is a romantic story one. Alright, I'll put the picture there, but I don't want to open it. Yeah, I can because it's a clear bag. So, this is beautiful. Wow. Very, very nice. Indeed. Okay, so let's have a look. It is a brand. Oh my. Alright, so let's have a look at this. So you saw the picture. This is going to look so pretty, guys. Alright, so it's a double printed page. Now they show you French knot, the chain stitch, satin stitch, and back stitch. And basically they show it to you because that's the ones you're going to need. So it's an easy one, 20 by 20 centimeters. And there's the whole pattern, 5 colors. Oh wow. This is gonna look so pretty. Alright, so they tell you it can wash off and all those things. You can just read your instructions there. And it is just chain stitch, back stitch, satin stitch, and French knot. So they also show you how to do those stitches. And to be honest, we've done all those stitches in my tutorial videos so far. So this is gonna be nice. Very, very nice to do. Very easy, very nice. And I like it. They also tell you how many threads you should use. So excellent. Then you get a beautiful hoop. I love these hoops. They're the hoops with the grooves. Let me show you. Alright, so there is the deep part, and there is the fat part that fits into the deep part, the riff. There you go, there it is. So this is very cool. And then when you're done with your project, you can put it in here. They show you in the instructions, and work it on the sides, and you can hang it just like this on the hoop if you prefer. Let me just fix it. Okay, so this is quite easy. There should be needles and there is needles and thread. Very easy design. They show you with color what to do. So all the colors you need are there. And here you go. Look at this. Oh my word. There's the 4 colors you need. And then exactly the colors they indicate on the pattern is printed there in color. Amazing, right? I think it's beautiful. You also get 2 very sharp. Ooh, this is nice embroidery needles. They're strong. They've got a decent hole in. There you go. And they're sharp. Guys, now I struggle. Now this is going to work because you can actually thread something through that. That is amazing. I love it. Wow. What a nice stitch. And it's the brand Romantic Story. I really love this. Oh, wow. Now this is beautiful, beautiful. Excellent, excellent. I absolutely adore it. We've learned all these stitches. Grab yours because you can do this if you watch the tutorial. If you're new, it's very, very easy. Alright, you have been looking at something else, but before we get there, I want to ask if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe if you will be so kind. You help me out a lot when you do that. It also motivates me to make more videos for you. Also press the like button and tell me what you think of the video and the products. Alright, now you've been looking at that. Now it's Peonies. And it's a 9 count, so let's have a look. I am excited. Okay, so I'm not going to take that out. No, I have to. There's a sticker on top. It's stuck to it, hold on. Okay, so it comes in a reusable, very strong, thick plastic bag with a little press button with a barcoded sticker with the product code and number. Now these 9 counts they are branded. It is Mona Lisa brand. Now I just think this is beautiful. 9 count, 80 by 60 centimeters, peonies and butterflies. My light is not so friendly. Look at that. Beautiful, right? I think it's beautiful. Now let's have a look at the actual stitch. Alright, so let's begin with this. We got a little toolkit with a little snipper and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 needles and a needle threader. What's this with this light today? There you go. It's all there. Alright, then let's have a look at this beautiful Ada. Like I said, it is 9 count. Before we get there, I almost forgot about this because they hide it in it. So with the 9 count, you get an A4 page with the pattern printed on both sides. And this one's got, wow, 38 colors. Very, very nice stitch, nice pattern. And remember to use 4 threads with your 9 count. So we're going to put this back exactly like it came. Now it's serged on all the sides that we need to, because on the one side is the end of the material and that will never fray. So that is great. Now there's the branding, and ouch, the cat scratched me last night in my sleep. She had some zoomies. Pepsi just have zoomies. So the product code is there, some instructions if you need it. And there's all the colors up to 38. Very well printed, very easy stitches. And I think it's very beautiful, so by the way. So let's have a look. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Excellent, excellent, excellent. Right, I just want to pack this back. I have to pack it back, otherwise I get all banana drama, mama. How did it go? I don't know. How did it go? Can you guys remember? I don't know. But I'm just going to put it back like that. Yes, they fit nicely in the packet. Okay, so there you go. We can put this in there. Now let's have a look. Ooh, look at this feminine colors. It's soft. It's just very soft. So let's have a look. Oh wow. All right. So my light will probably show this as white. It's baby blue. There's baby blue. This is like a baby blue green. So 1 to 17, and all your extras are also on the card. I want to show you this color. There you go. There you can see it. All right, so there it is. Beautiful, right? And then we've got 18 to 38. Look at this. There you go. There you can see the colors nicely. And the end is white. Very, very pretty stitch indeed. I love it. It is amazing. Now let's see them together. Look at that. Amazing, right? I think it is super duper beautiful. Oh, I love this. I absolutely adore this. Alrighty then, so while I pack it away, I want to thank Gbfke. Thank you. Nathan, this is, wow, amazing. I love both products so very much. Thank you very, very much. Then to you, my viewer, I heard it's very cold by you guys. By us, it's summer. And to all my viewers that's also in South Africa or in warm areas, but I heard it's snowing and very cold in every other area. You guys must have a cozy evening. And for everyone that's in summer, you guys must have a nice evening under your fan because it's hot. And then thank you for always supporting me and watching. And please, before you go, remember it is Chinese New Year. There's an 11-day break. So please keep that in mind when you order. Well, love you guys lots. Till next time. Lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.